Hey guys, it is Lauren here from Chasing the Tickle. Anyway guys, here is an easy style to wrap a turban. So anyway guys, this is a really easy style. I somehow figured it out by actually doing it with an extra long t-shirt scarf. And I have another long scarf here which is called an Eliana's Grace scarf, which is actually found on Rapunzel. And I got this one on a recent Black Friday haul and I seriously love it, but unfortunately the weather here in Australia does not like me wearing it, so I have to wait till kind of winter time to kind of wear it because it's not really a summer scarf. Anyway, it is a faux leather style and I like doing it like as a regal style, but I just seem to find it kind of looks like everything's all stretched out and it looks like your buttons are about to pop on a shirt that's too small for you kind of feeling. So I prefer it like in a turban. I think even on the web page where they've got it, I think the lady who is actually modeling it is wearing a turban style as well. So yeah, but anyway, this was a very unconventional style. However, for this wrap, you do need a long scarf for it. So it needs to be at least 5 or 6 foot long. You can't really have like a tough 2-in-1 for it. You can't kind of have your basic scarf for it. You do need a long scarf for it. This scarf here is about 5 foot long. I think it's a little bit longer. I'm not sure. In Australia, we use metric. We don't use imperial measurements. So I think it's about 5 foot long. The extra long t-shirt scarves are a lot longer, so it's easier in that retrospect. However, the two things you need: shaper. I'm wearing a Cloud 9 shaper here from Rapunzel. I've had this shaper since about July. It's probably one of my favorite shapers I've worn. Please note that I have got my ears sticking out for the shaper. When I do wrap, the ears will be tucked under. So just note now, this is only to prevent me from getting headaches because my ears don't like being pinned back. So anyway, how do we do this scarf? It's very easy. First off, what we're going to do, I'm just going to step back a wee bit so I can show you. What we're going to do is wrap lengthwise. We're going to cross this in half lengthways. So what you want to do is go from about 5 foot long to about, say, 2.5, 3 foot long. We don't want it very big. We only want it sort of halfway. But you're going to see very shortly why we actually kind of need the length for this. Now, once you've kind of crossed it in half, what we're going to do is just pop it around your head like you are going to be wearing a scarf around your neck. So what we're going to do is feed these two tails through the loop, and it's pretty much just like how you would put a scarf on if you were having one around your neck. It's very easy. And then we're just going to tighten this up. So might take a little bit of adjustment, but that should be about right. And what we're going to do now, well, that's a little bit too tight. What we're going to do now is just pop it around our head. As you would, like that. Now I have seen on another style where I think it was actually on the Rapunzel style. Hang on. Yeah, I've seen on the other style, on another style where on Rapunzel, I think Zilla from Rapunzel actually did this, where she has actually got another scarf underneath and she's left this kind of in a similar way, but I think what she's done is kind of gone around a little bit more with these tails. I think that's what she's ended up doing. I'm not completely 100% sure, but in saying that, this is where our step kind of changes. So what we're going to do now, what we're going to do now is separate the tails, and we're going to get this one, wrap it around like we would, wrap it around our head, and we're just going to tuck it under here. So we just tucked it under here. Now, what do we do with this tail? This tail is going to actually cover the rest of our scarf. So I'm going to turn around. You might not be able to hear me. I'm not sure on that, but I'll just show you, okay? So I'll turn it around like so. Now, with the extra long t-shirt scarves, you will have enough length to tuck it under here. With this one, what I generally do is I pick it up and tuck it in here. Now, you just want to check to make sure that you've got nothing exposed, like your shape or anything like that. So just tuck in where you need to have it tucked in. There we go, guys, and that is pretty much it. So we're just going to check everything, make sure from the mirror side. Hang on, I'm just going to check from the mirror. Just tuck in and adjust wherever you think you need to do that. It's very easy, and yeah, we're pretty much done here actually, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's just an easy turban. This is what I'm going to call it, is the easy turban. Just tuck and adjust everywhere, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As I said, it's a very unconventional way to actually do it, but it works because it actually looks like a turban now, and it looks quite fashionable. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll just show you guys again from turning around and a bit more poking and prodding. I think we've got it anyway, so yeah, I'll just turn around for you guys, and that's pretty much my turban done. Alright guys, I really actually hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very easy turban to do, especially if you are learning how to wrap. I personally actually think it's one of my favourites. I do it with the extra long t-shirt scarf, as I've mentioned before, and I've just now started to do it with this one. It's because I think that this scarf particularly is more suited to a turban rather than just a conventional regal wrap or something of that nature. So anyway guys, look forward to actually showing you some more tutorials that I have coming very shortly with my channel, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, bye!